Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the tablet off and placing it face up on a clean, flat surface. This prevents accidental taps or scratches. Next, choose a lifting tool, a firm fingernail, dental floss, or a thin plastic pick, and locate a corner gap. Apply gentle upward pressure to lift the screen protector just enough to get an edge. Once the corner peels slightly, make a deliberate small lift. You want separation, not snap. This reduces stress on the adhesive and the glass beneath. Once you have an edge, peel slowly at a 45-degree angle. This reduces shear forces that could crack the protector or screen. If adhesive resists, loop dental floss under the lifted edge and use a sawing motion. Slide floss across the surface while pulling upward to separate adhesive without levering. Make sure to keep the protector taut as you go. Steady tension prevents it from bending and tearing. If you feel heavy resistance, pause and re-engage a closer spot, so force is to finish, slowly peel the last section while supporting the tablet edge so nothing snaps back. Once removed, inspect the screen under bright light for adhesive or tiny glass chips. Use a lint-free cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove residue. Wipe in a single direction. Make sure the screen is completely dry before applying a new protector. If any cracking or residue remains, power on only after confirming the display is intact. Otherwise, seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.